Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select your language from the list and click on Save at the bottom of it. Now tap on Continue twice and tap on Start, then close an app. Finally, you can close the Launcher app when you see this pop-up and instead go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down, click on Apps and tap on Choose Default Apps at the top. Then click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!